Congratulations, you've hit 1 million views. Your prize? Pennies for every 1,000 views, while social platforms rake in billions. Seems fair, right? Here's creator Chef Boy Lee to explain the reality of views.
Pretend this burger is your content. The more you make, the more views you get. But each view you get is worth less than a penny. So you need lots. How do you get them? Chasing the trends. Like edible glitter. Crickets are trending? Really? Octopus? Gross. But what if you didn't have to rely on views for income?
You don't. With Kajabi, you're able to build your business, protect your vision, and monetize in all kinds of different ways, directly from your audience. Oh yeah, you nailed it the first time.
Yeah.
Build your audience on social platforms. Build your business on Kajabi.